Hey guys, it's your girl T back with another video. And you're probably wondering on Instagram what was in that mysterious box that I was holding up. Well, here it is, guys. Yes, it is the Dollar Curl Club. Yes, guys, we are going to try it. So without further delay, I'm going to let this video play and you tell me your thoughts at the end of the video. Alright guys, 1, 2, let's do what it do. Alright guys, so I'm starting off with the Hydrating Gentle Cleanse Shampoo. And this shampoo actually is more of a moisturizing shampoo. I typically don't use these very often, but guys, I really like the lathering. It was really lathering really fast. Also, my hair was very soft and very detangled, especially after rinsing out. But like I said, I don't really use these very often. I like a really gentle clean, but really I need a deep clean. But guys, for what it's worth, the shampoo was not bad at all. Yes, it was very easy to work in and set up. So keep that in mind when you're using it. It's going to be Sud City, all right? Alright guys, and we're going on to the next step, which is the repairing hair mask. It smelled actually pretty fair. One thing about all of the products, oh, and I'm just scratching my scalp to make sure that there was no dirt and debris, thank goodness. But also, what's unique about this mask though is that it actually was very soft. A lot of masks I get a lot of texture, like it's not as slippery, but this one has a lot of slip and it was very easy to go through. My hair felt very soft as well using this upon contact. But yeah, it was pretty easy to work with, and like I said, all of the products, they virtually have a very faint smell. So that's good for somebody who was very conscious about smell. Yep, and look at those curls clumping. Alright, and I have my TTs in, and now we're going to move on to the next step. So this is the leave-in conditioner. I actually use this leave-in conditioner and it was very, look at me jamming. It was very reminiscent of the Main Choice one that I used to use. So if you like thicker leave-ins, this is more your guy. But very soft, very workable. The tangling was good. Very easy. Hey, I like it. I really had no complaints too much. Alright. You even see a little shine there, which isn't too bad either. Alright, and now we moved on to the final step. Now, I had the Twist and Define cream, which I'm using on my left, which looks like the right to you, but I'm using that on my left. And you're probably wondering, wait, why is she saying the left and the right? You'll see what I mean. So I'm using that and going in with that. That whole left side was with the Twist and Defining cream. And now on the right side of me, I'm using the Curl Defining cream. Now, yes, I probably could use either words for a wash and go, but I wanted to test both of the creams because I was actually curious to see how both performed, if one performed better than the other. Okay. So I'm just going in with that. Like I said, very easy to work with, detangling, all that good stuff. And hey, you even see curl definition, even with the other one as well. And don't worry guys, I'm going to talk a little more about the end result as soon as we reach the end of the video. And now I got the Revitalizing Growth Oil. Now, I'm going to list some of the ingredients with the growth oil. I use some on the roots, but I mainly focus on the ends, so this way they would be hydrated. But the growth oil, a lot of people are funny about growth oils and saying there are a lot of gimmicks. I haven't tried it long enough to see what it was worth, but you know, I just wanted an oil really to seal. So hey, it worked, and very inexpensive too. Alright guys, really quickly before I go, I'm actually going to do this last piece on the Dollar Curl Club results. This is actually 6 days after. Now, sorry it's a little rocky. It's a little more intimate than usual too, because I'm just doing this on the fly. Okay. So I'm just doing this on the fly. Sorry, I thought somebody was knocking. And I got my fan on. It's too hot to be sitting here, you know, roasting. I love y'all, but not that much, okay? So if you guys remember, when I did the Dollar Curl Club review, it turns out that there was a left and a right side. I used different products in the kit. So there was the left side, which was the Twisted Defining Cream, and the right side was the Curl Defining Cream. Okay, so just to give y'all a little bit of a look, this is the left side and the right side. Now, and you know what's crazy? I forgot to take out one of my twists in the back. One of them got missed, but that's okay. Yeah, you see it's this one right here. Yeah. And that actually reminds me, one day I'm going to do, like, not so much a product review, but I'm going to do my twist out technique, because people always ask me about my technique when I do twist out. So that would be really, really fun to do. But anyway, so overall, I think that it was pretty equal in terms of performance. I would say maybe this side looks, I don't know, but to me this side looks slightly better. But it's strange because the Curl Defining Cream was thicker, but it was easier to do in terms of, I think, with detangling. But the Twist Out Defining Cream was like, the Twist and Define Cream was more, what's the right word? Yeah, it was a little runnier to me, which I thought was interesting, especially since the Twist and Define Cream had more glycerin in it. And then, I don't know, because of the glycerin factor, if that's why it's frizzing more. And we have to keep account, it is summertime. So yeah, that can kind of make up for that. Or you know, so I feel like, I don't know about the Dollar Curl Club, maybe at least the creams. Like, I would be totally blown away, because I've personally dealt with some other products that were better for me. But so far, overall, the line was not bad. Maybe I will go back and give it a fair shake. Maybe if I tried this in the winter. But I think for summertime, if I was to go back and do the creams, no. Unless, like, I was just using it as something, maybe, like, if I'm treating my hair under my wigs, or, like, you know, I'm prepping for protective styling, then maybe, sure. But I don't think to wear out as a twist out on either side. I mean, it still lasted pretty nicely, considering. I'm sorry I didn't get to do like a full turnaround, but you can pretty much see the gist of what I'm working with here. Yeah, but so far it's not bad though. And sometimes I think frizz gives the hair a little more character. But overall, it was okay, but it wasn't bad. I think that my favorite thing out of the entire line, to me, I think, was the hair mask. To me, performed the best. It was actually pretty good, but I think, like, other ones like Curl Mix and the other ones have more of an edge over it. And the shampoo was nice and gentle, set it up a lot. But I do feel like, overall, I think the hair mask, to me, was my most favorite out of everything. But guys, that is it. I'm not going to hold you too long. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, excuse the lighting, my fan and everything. And I know it's a little rocky, but it was nothing I could really prop my phone up on to do this. So, but you guys, thank you so much. Continue to watch, and I hope that you guys learned a lot from this video, as well as many of my other ones. And remember to subscribe to join the tribe. I am T from T's World, signing out. And to then, peace out. Let's rock out. Let's get it. Bye.